Presenting the Chevrolet 2013 Silverado 1500 LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: black license plate bracket front, will be forced on orders with shipped estates that require a front license plate, ebony leather appointed seat trim, mirror inside rear view with rear camera display, window power rear sliding, tailgate easy lift, gross vehicle weight 7,000 pounds. 3175 kilograms, STD, LTZ Plus package includes UG1, Universal Home Remote, A60, Locking Tailgate, PPA, Easy Lift Tailgate, JF4, Power Adjustable Pedals, UD7, Rear Parking Assist and S41, Rear Wheelhouse Liner LPO and Rear Parking Assist Ultrasonic with audible warning. If you are